the 2006 Nissan Maxima. This four-door sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, front fog lights, power windows, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.